take on part. I say she was fiend, but they know that she love ice. Young in the streets, go home, go he big.
We a V6. There you go. V6. That's cute. It's just gonna be content. That's all I'm trying to. Your whole break, content. After I'm done smoking that bit, I'm finna fucking throw my fucking hazards on and record some shit, bro. Like, and bro, I don't know.
Alright, cool, I'm in got a big booty bitch in a swim water. It don't matter, it could've been a winter time. No, but let's get the bitch out of clothes. And you know it's less than a day. And then longer than double it's out of the...
Hey chat, forgot y'all was here. Y'all ever like go to turn y'all blinker off and then you smack it down too hard and then it go down the other way, then you gotta smack it back up and then it go back up the other way and then you just clank and then you just look like a crackhead on the road, or it's just Alright, chat. There we go. Got both of them open. And I honestly think the only thing I gotta go to the shop for this either. I think I could do this right here in the parking lot. I'm gonna do a little bit more research. Make sure I'm not gonna mess nothing up. I'm gonna check back in with y'all. I'm gonna let y'all know. But I think it's gonna be another easy install, bro. So currently on the way to the shop because I do need a tool. Need a torque 20, but no big deal. They said the guy just said they just got done fixing some brakes or doing some brakes. So he was like, push that now. And I was like, bet you don't gotta tell me twice. Cause hey man, it's like nothing for real. It's not. I mean, it's gonna look better at nighttime, of course, but it's like slight change. So like, just wanted to get it out the way, get it done, you know. But I'm gonna check back in with y'all when I'm back at the. When I get to the shop. And yeah, should be easy. Should be a light day. I shouldn't even. It should be a short, simple project. Not gonna lie. I'm gonna check back in with. Alright, Jack. Found a way better angle for the face. I mean, you know what I'm talking about anyway. But yeah. What's it called? I'm just like circling the block right now because I was driving and Pat texted me. He said we're gonna be at the crib in like 0.5 seconds, bro. We at Willis Fargo. I just saw you drive by. So. Oh, there go Big Pat right there. Oh my God. I hope y'all heard that on cam. That's Big Pat right there. I don't know if this is a customer car or what, but it's not. Got Coco Chanel, you know damn well these bitches girl my toast. Yeah, I'm swag on bitches. I walk down shit, I damn near broke my toe. Yeah, I'm sipping on syrup, I'm fucking your girl. I told her to ride it slow. I put a shop in the tall Lambo. Turn St. Regis to a bando. Hit my jump shot. I'm talking about bitches, you know I got plenty. Yes, I'm a real bitch, food up. Yeah, I'm getting so busy, I'm futuristic. Every city I go. I just be getting the bitch. They mad that I'm winning, I'm getting 500 a shot. Yeah, she's sucking my dick and I'm fucking a kitty.
I'm kicking this shit out of bed. I'm running my business.
Chat, we just moved a car. Can Big Pat go let he gonna take me on a ride in that car y'all just heard? Oh my gosh. He got LS swap in it. Boy. I'm finna go see what that's like, boy. What you talking about? Hold on, chat. Nah, I gotta build a box. I ain't gonna lie. Nah, this is tough. This is hard. Nah, this right here, man. That's how you feel it, bro? That's how you feel it, Pat?
Yeah, you know, I just had to make sure the revs looking sounding good still.
Tight.
Make sure the revs sound good. How was the drive?
Bro, that is nice,
Yeah,
bro.
that's what I
Oh,
said. I
bro.
like it too.
My head was going back in. Yo. Chad, I ain't gonna lie. I really underestimated this mod. Cause bro, let me show y'all real quick. Hold on. So we got all this. We got this removed. But it's one last screw right there. I can't get that out because of this. And it's really irritating. Like, extraordinary irritating. But we're gonna go get something to eat, take a break, and we're gonna come back through this side. Just to take a break off this side, because I don't know what's going on. There's only one last screw, and then I could really fix it. But I'm gonna get back to y'all, chat. I'm gonna get back to y'all. Me and Twin. Little break. Got the cheese bread. I mean the crazy bread. Okay, I'm finna schmet down. Alright, chat. Food break over with. We on the way to Advance right now. Finna get some, y'all wasn't there, so, I mean, I wasn't recording, so I don't know, but there's these little trim screw plastic shit things, whatever they call it, bro, I don't know. But I don't think you was supposed to screw them out. I'm pretty sure you just supposed to pull them out, and when we pull them out, they really easy to break. So I'm already knowing we probably gonna do the exact same thing for the next side, so we gotta get another pack. And yeah, food was good though. Real, bruh. Now I'm locked in, got some food on my stomach. I'm ready to fix this shit or do this. And hell yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all though. All right, chat. Just left AutoZone Advance, and bro, I was in there for a little minute. I had to like spin like the little, forgot what it's called, the little thing. I had to go through all of them. They couldn't look it up on the computer to see if they had it or not, so I had to just check myself, bro. And then I was in line for a minute. But
that shit was kind of hard. Hold on. I'm trying to do it again.
Hold on, chat. It sounded nice though. Bro, I don't think you should do that again, bro. Yeah. Alright, chat. We back. And had to pull up the car up some more so he could pull out that nice motherfucker. But we finna do this side. That side is still unfinished, but we was low-key raging on that side, so we gonna come back to it. So we're gonna do this side. So I'm gonna tap back in with y'all, and hopefully we got some better luck this time. All right, chat. So with these little thingamajigs right here, little thing I get either a flat head or this right here. I'll go under it, and then I pull it. Then I get this, and then I just went like this so it'll pop out. See how it got these little pushbacks right here? I might have to put the camera down, but you'll just pull it. You'll still be able to pull it through, even with the backs like that. You just gotta kind of flatten the back. Then I'm gonna do this one right here. On the other side, I left this one. I might do that one just to see if it's more easier or not. But I'm gonna let y'all know though. Hold on. Alright, chat. Bro, the fog light, bro, do you see what it looks like outside? Bro, the fog lights are finally on, chat. But one last step. We gotta go to Advance again because the clips that I got, or the screws, the plastic things, they don't fit. Oh. Hold on, let me go get the other one so I can try to get a refund. But yeah, chat. Man, I've been here all day, chat. I was supposed to do a lot more stuff today. But bro, hey, end of the day, beyond appreciated for the help that I get at the shop. And that I was able to do that. This is what we looking like right now, chat. You can't see because they just turned off. But chat, you know, I'm gonna go to a gas station or something, flick up, do a little video shoot for y'all and show y'all. Maybe I'll even get Jedian to push up so I can get a little dually action in that bit. But hell yeah, chat. So I'm gonna let y'all know how this whole AutoZone trip go. Bro, hopefully get a refund for this so I don't gotta spend more money, bro. And bro, put them on and then complete it, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. That mod right there, I literally said in the beginning of the video that was probably gonna be my easiest mod. Chat, I take that shit back, bro. I take it back, bro. I take it back. And also, bro, I ain't gonna lie, so far I have not raged harder than currently on these fog lights, bro. Like I've never raged so hard doing the damn mod. I'm even Jadine was getting irritated, bro. It's not even his car.
Bro, that shit had to be dehydrated. I don't know.
I'm saying, bro, we took an old break, came back and got irritated again. But it's good, bro. Shit. Hey, bro. This shit, it's just not easy. It's not easy. But if you love doing this shit, then you gonna, it's an addiction, bro. Like Twin be saying, bro, you just can't have no normal car, bro. It's like, I don't know. I don't want to have regular traffic, bro. No matter what I have, I'm spicing that shit up. I don't care if it's V6. I don't care if it's damn, whatever the hell it is that way. I don't care if it's a golf cart, dude.
Yeah, it's kind of crazy.
If it's a golf cart, I'm gonna slap rap on that bitch or some shit, bro. I don't care.
Go put a fucking V8 in that motherfucker.
No, for real. But all right, Chad. Let me. I'm gonna catch y'all. I'm gonna catch back up to y'all when I figure this whole shit out. Hopefully, we got good news the next time I come in, man. All right, Chad. Good news. Just got back from AutoZone and that bit. It fits, Chad. It fits. Dude, it fits.
Oh my gosh.
It fits.
You got that one in?
Yeah, hold this. Yeah, I only put one in just for a quick, just see if it fit. But I'm gonna put two on each side.
Okay.
Just like that, and you just go. Oh, thank you, God. Thank God.
Yes. God. It's the fucking end. Last one.
Chat, bro, if y'all remember the daylight that started this video out, bro, compared to what we're at right now, bro.
It's fucking nighttime. The sun was out. It was beaming this morning. Well, not this morning, earlier.
Chat, oh my gosh. I'm gonna just use the third one on this just cause I got 5 in total. But yeah.
And that's it.
Oh my gosh, chat, let me show y'all. Actually, I'm gonna show y'all at a gas station. You wanna meet me there, Swim? But chat, I'm finna go to a gas station and show y'all the
Fog lights.
The fog lights. So next time y'all see me, I'll be there. So catch y'all boys.